Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Tiara's Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be having a look at some new lights. Now this is 20 meters of LED strip lights, and they were sent on over to me by a company called Onforu. Now these are absolutely brilliant lighting. I've obviously used them under the desk and I'm going to now use them behind the racking. So thank you to Onforu for sending these over. Now it is a sponsored video, but I will tell you what I think about this product at the end of the video. These work with Google, Alexa, they also work off your phone, and they do come with a controller as well. So let's have a look and see what you get inside the box, and then I need to move the racking from behind me forward, hook these up, and then see what they actually look like. So let's open up the box and see what you actually get inside. So upon opening it, you do get your receiver, and you also do get the remote control. So that's going to be obviously for controlling the lights. You do get a splitter cable to obviously hook up both sets of 10mm cables, and you also get the power adapter as well. And you are also provided with some screws and some clips to attach it to wherever you're going. Moving that out to one side, and then you get down to the nitty-gritty bits of it. So next up is going to be the lights themselves. So here you go, they come on reels. Quite a lot here. Like I said, there's 20 meters overall, so that's going to be absolutely fantastic. Going to set these up and hopefully give the studio a bit more of a glow. So after all that, you saw the clip of obviously all the lights going off, and it looks really, really nice, especially in the dark. Now, as you can see behind me, it gives the racking, it gives the products, and it gives the back a bit of a nicer glow than obviously just it being plain, and it takes away from all the galvanized look in racking. So yeah, overall, if you're going to be doing something like I'm doing here, so product reviews or any sort of streaming, gaming, you just want to add a bit more light to your room, then this kit here from Onforu is going to be for you. Now, at the time of recording this video, this does come in at £37, and it's a great little kit. You've got plenty of modes, easy to set up. There's also an app, so if you've got Wi-Fi, you can connect it to your phone and then sort out the lights via your phone. Or if you're like me, I'm stood right here and I can just change the colours to whatever I feel like as and when I am recording. But yeah, overall, £37. Now, you can pick these up on Amazon. Link is in the description down below, so head on down there and check them out. And yeah, go ahead and buy an Onforu kit, 20-meter kit. And yeah, absolutely fantastic. Definitely going to be using these again. Obviously, I used them on the desk build. I've now used them on the racking. And I'm going to be using them in the desk build. That is going to be coming up shortly as well for the PC. But yeah, overall, really, really good product. Thank you to Onforu for sending this out and giving me the chance to review it. However, that's it from me today. If you did like the video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave any thoughts or questions that you've got in that comment section down below, and go ahead and share the hell out of this video. It really does help out the channel. Now, whilst you're down there, red button, it says subscribe. Go ahead and click that and smash the bell icon for more notifications from myself. And like always, I shall see you in the next video.